Chapter 31, Servicing Your Brake Systems, Day 1, Video 16, Governor Adjustments. So to test the governor adjustments, so the governor controls system pressure, maximum pressure, and then turns the compressor back on. So cut in and cut out pressures. So we've already tested for the cut out pressure. In the first test we did, we let it build up to system pressure. It should have built up to the 130 psi, and then the needle no longer moves, and we hear the air dryer purge. That's our cutout pressure. So we need to check the cut in pressure. So what we'll do is, with the engine running, the compressor is turned off. Make some brake applications to start using up or bleeding off some of that air pressure. All right, so we'll do it and make a small brake application. The needle will drop. Take your foot off the brake. Allow it to see if it starts to move. Keep doing that until we make that last brake application. Should be about 20 psi difference. Right, when that needle comes down here, you make that slight brake application. The needle should start to come up and start charging again. So we know we've reached the cut in pressure. So we'll mark that on our or take note of that. Again, pumping the foot valve to use up some of that air. We want to see no more than 25 psi drop from cut out to cut in pressure. Again, this is a federally mandated limit. Things that can affect it, right? Air leaks. If we've got excessive air leaks, many small air leaks or one big air leak would cause problems with the governor. The governor adjust the governor. If the cut out pressure is off, that's the only pressure we can adjust, and if it's just a couple pounds off, we can make that adjustment. If it's off by a lot, we replace the governor. The cut-in pressure cannot be adjusted. That has to do with some internal springs and clearances inside of the governor. So if our cut-in pressure is more than 25 psi, we replace that air governor. Things that can affect the build-up time and cut-in, cut-out pressures is problems in the system, plug filters, pinched or crimped hoses, chafed hoses that would cause the air leaks.